Hi everyone, welcome to week 14. So this is it. This is our last module for the semester. Module 11 is about user interfaces, Visual Basic applications, and collaboration features. And I know what you're thinking. You're probably thinking, what does that all mean? What that means is that you're going to learn how to you're essentially going to create a form. And you're going to create a form that has the ability to give you the ability to click a button. So like if you send a survey out to somebody, you could do this in Excel. Now, is this the right place to do a survey? You're probably better off with Canva or SurveyMonkey or something like that. But if you're an office that you're heavily into Excel and you see something that you might want to send out an Excel workbook with a survey embedded in it and keep track of the results, you could do that too. Not commonly used, but it's a good way to show you the features of this particular module. And so that's what you're doing in this project this week. Now I want to make you aware of something. There have been some grader issues since the dawn of time, since I've been teaching this class, with the little boxes that you insert in the form that you're going to work on, that sometimes the grader has a hard time reading them. I don't know why. Some people it works absolutely fine. Some students it doesn't read. I'm not say everything, but you might miss a couple things that you have there, and for some reason it's not picking that up. I don't want you to panic about that. If you find yourself missing a few points and you want me to look at it, send me an email. I'd be happy to. Most likely I'm going to give you a grade override because I am aware that there are some issues. And Cengage is aware of it too, as we've moved to more Office 365 and Microsoft is making a lot of changes in the background of these apps. There's some things that they know the grader has issues with, but it's still worth using Cengage because it just makes everything faster for you and it's a good application. So I don't want you to think we should just throw it out. Just know that there are some issues. There might be some grader issues. You might be one of those students that doesn't have any issues with the grader, and you might be one that has some boxes or little radio buttons or things like that that it doesn't want to read. So essentially that's the most important thing I want you to get out of this video, is knowing that there could be some grader issues. If you want me to look at it, let me look at it. Send me an email. I'll check it out. I'll override your grade and we'll be good to go. All right, so that's all that's happening this week. Enjoy the last module. It has some cool features in it that you might use someday. They're things that I've used, not in the form sense, but in other things. And then next week is the final project, Exam 3, which is a capstone project for modules 8 and 11. You have until May 4th to get that done. And then you also need to submit your final file management checkup. And that has to have everything that you've saved for this class from the beginning of the semester to the end if you want the full points. If you don't have everything, your grade is going to reflect that. And so that's what's happening. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'm here to help you. I hope you have a great week. I hope you're enjoying this crazy, crazy weather we're having. And I'll talk to you again soon. Take care.